The following are instructions for the schedule screenshot assignment. So you need to open up the STIC website, select the eTools drop-down menu, and then open Web Advisor. Choose Login, use your user ID and password, and then from the next menu, select View Student Schedule, and then select Spring 2020, and then you'll have your schedule visible. Then what you do to get a screenshot of this is choose the Windows logo, and then in the search box, it's flashing in the search box, type SN, and it immediately brings up what's called a snipping tool. Select the snipping tool, and then if the snipping tool is in the way, you can just drag and move it over. Choose New, and then with your mouse, it changes to what's called a crosshair, which is a plus sign. Hold in the upper left corner and hold the mouse and drag to select the entire picture of your schedule. Let go. Choose File, Save As, and in your Pictures folder, you can call it Spring 2020 Schedule. And then X out of here. And then back in Blackboard, for the assignment, Welcome Week Screenshot of Class Schedule, if you click this link, this is to upload, and then choose Browse My Computer, and from your Pictures folder, choose your Spring Schedule, Open, and Submit. Thank you.